In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off one-click ordering on Amazon using your desktop, a handy skill that can help you to reduce the risk of those pesky, accidental purchases. If you've ever wondered how to prevent those few clicks leading to unexpected charges, you're in the right place. Let's dive into these easy steps together. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head straight to Amazon's website. This might be Amazon.com or your country's specific site. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your account. Make sure you log in with the details of the account you intend to modify. Next, find your name at the top of the page or where it says "Hello" in Amazon's welcoming manner and hover over it. It's usually toward the upper right of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Account and Lists. From there, click on Your Account. This will take you to a personalized dashboard that allows you to access and manage your account preferences. Once you are on your account page, scroll down until you see the section titled Ordering and Shopping Preferences. This is where Amazon groups settings that affect how you shop and check out. In that section, go ahead and click on One-Click Settings. On the page that opens, you'll see a variety of options related to one-click ordering. What you're looking for is an option that says Disable One-Click Everywhere. This option is crucial for turning off the one-click function across your account, effectively adding an extra layer of security for your shopping habits. Once you find it, click on it. You might receive a prompt asking you to confirm this action. Just go ahead and confirm to finalize your choice. You should now have successfully turned off one-click for your account on that browser or device. Now, here are a few things you should keep in mind. It's worth mentioning that some users have reported that Amazon may have moved or removed the Disable One-Click option for certain accounts. So, if you're having trouble locating the option, you're not alone. It might be worth checking if this applies to you. Also, it's important to note that while disabling one-click can help with regular purchases, it doesn't always affect digital content, such as Kindle books or other digital downloads. So do keep an eye on how digital purchases are processed in your account settings. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to disable one-click ordering on Amazon. Taking this simple step reduces the likelihood of those accidental buys and can certainly save you some hassle in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy, more secure shopping on Amazon.